Hello everybody, here we are with a fun and short project for you, maybe to do with your kids. I'm here with my daughter, she's gonna help me. And we have a lettuce that we get every week. And we've already eaten it, but because it's a live product, it comes with the roots. And we already eaten the rest. But if you notice in the center here, the lettuce is giving us new growth. So what I thought we could do is, instead of putting this into the compost bin, we're gonna put it into a new container. I was adding some organic potting soil. The organic potting soil is not actually soil, but it's a mix of bark, rest of bark, and perlite and some other components that give aeration and make it light and have good drainage, but at the same time good moisture retention. It has nutrients in the form of bat guano, chicken manure, and kelp meal and other types of nutrients that have been composted and are safe to use for the plants. I'm also gonna add some worm castings that I'm gonna mix into the first few inches of this mix. So after we've mixed well the few first inches of the potting mix, I'm gonna add the lettuce that we had in the packet, and I'm gonna place it in the center like that. You can show in here if you want, there. And I'm gonna cover it up to the neck of the plant. I'm pressing well so the roots are in contact with the soil, and to aid with some energy and boost the growth of this lettuce, which is already coming there. If you see the new growth, we're gonna add some kelp extract that my daughter was preparing here, mixing simply water like you'd always do with your crops. Once you finish planting or transplanting them, the seedlings, you give a good watering so the roots can find their way in the soil. There you go, until you hear it drain, because this container has drainage holes at the bottom. We see it's so, and that's it. I hope it's been helpful. Use the produce that you have at home. It doesn't necessarily need to go to waste. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message, and please subscribe.